maglalaro tayo, magbibigay ng prizes, and then mamaya, we're going to eat na, kain na. Okay, so bago yun, para mas maganda, kanta.
So here's my hand check.
God is giving us this leap of faith that as we come to Him, we can always have this assurance that in Him we can find rest.
celebrate. Amen. Let's eat.
For the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
May nag-vlog.
May mga clips. Clips ako kay Eric. Kapatid ko na lang.
Nakalimutan.
I'm sorry, Lord, for the things I've made. But it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. It's all about you.
Wow, ang ganda. Kaya nga, may bagyo daw kasi. So, right now we are in Dakalumpang, guys. Walking-walking kami ni South at ni Friend. Mm-mm. Siguro.
Tinanggap ng aming invitation to be part of this event. Yeah, so we would like to welcome our CEP students and also from the students na from other departments. Pwede po bang makitaas ng kamay?
Magkaroon ng blessings at magkaroon ng breakthrough right after the blessing. So, ayan. So first and foremost, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng mga umagay. Salamat sa mga members natin.
Do you believe in God? Do you believe in the Bible? Yes. Yes. Kasi kung ano yun, connected yan.
Nagtulak sa likod.
Lawit na pa. Punta ka chineras ko, no? Kasi punta ka chineras ko.
Pero diba dun may dalampasigan? Kumagay dun mababa. Ano ba yung dulo neto?
Ilog.
Ilog nga, ano?
Ito mismo. Na maliit eh.
Hindi naliliguan. Hindi katulad. Hindi ganito kaya. Gano'n kaya ito kalalim? Mahirap kasi, I mean, pwede itong sa mga divers naman. Pwede naman nga ito lang eh. Pero hindi kasi siya ganun kalinaw.
Oo, walang makikita.
Walang makikita. Ano? Paano kaya naging ganun?
Mapapagtulaw ka ng lumaki. Mapapagtulaw. Nilutugan itong palaki dati. Ordinary lang daw na ano. Ordinary lang daw yan na ilog.
Ah, talaga? Ay, hindi talaga eh. Dagat din naman dun. Sa part na yun. Ang ganda nun, no? Kasi parang may, may, space to. Like, Siguro may nakatira dito. Saan? Doon sa clouds. Kasi parang gano'n no, land. Pero clouds siya. Kasi naka-flat. Yun guys, sa SM ko, bilis gagawin eh. Parang taba.
Ay, malamang ini. Umulan ng umulan. Alay na.
Ang bilis gawin nun, no? Yung may nakatayong ano yun. Yung kulay green. Ewan. Hindi ko nga alam. Pagtapos ng SM.
Saan ka sa SM nagtatrabaho?
Hungry Hippo. Dati.
Hap. Hap.
Masarap doon. Paano masarap? Sa trabaho o yung pagkain? Masarap yung pagkain. Hindi. Pero minsan na ginagawa namin bakit siluluto na sinigyan din. Para ulo na lang. Pang lunch.
Eh, wala. Ako'y na-extra.
Saksakan ng kumuha.
Kaya mo to, Trisha. Kaya niyo ito.
Hi ka, be. Be, mag-hi ka.
Mechanical Engineering Technology for the Sindumo Festival.
Skills take center stage, and where every seated student gets their chance to shine.
And today, where we challenge what we know, celebrate what we can do, and discover what we can create together.
So buckle up, energize those minds, and prepare your loudest cheers. Because what you're about to witness is a celebration of culture, creativity, and the unique identity that makes us all proud citizens.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The universe of innovation begins right here, right now. I am Trisha Lubin Angara.
And I am here, Paul Busalan, and welcome to this year's
Universe 2025.
coloring the future with culture and innovation.
Kaya nga tanging sila lang siguro at nakikita natin doon yung mga talent at pure na creativity nila kasi hindi lang siya basta mga organization shirt, meron din sila mga nakalagay na mga recyclable materials na kung saan mag-highlight kung ano bang festival ang kanilang nare-represent.
Yes, at talaga naman 100% pa ang battery ng ating citizens.
So while we are waiting, why not mag-ano muna tayo, mag-interview muna tayo ng ilan pa.
And just like that, we have reached the finale of Universe 2025, coloring the future with culture and innovation. What an amazing day filled with creativity, skills, and so much energy from all of you.
Absolutely right, Aaron. From the Grand March, exciting skills competitions to the fun-filled game stations, bench cheering, and the spectacular fashion show. Every moment today highlighted the incredible talent and leadership of our citizens.
And we also want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to everyone behind the scenes. Our organizers, volunteers, and support staffs, especially the different organizations under the CET department. Sa pamumuno po ng ating CET-SC, nandiyan po ang ating TechLink, ang ating ARMS, ang ating AYIN, CCM, and of course, our official publication, ang ating Buglalas. Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga organization under the CET department.
And of course, big thanks to all of you who participated with such enthusiasm, creativity, and teamwork. Made this event truly unforgettable.
So as we wrap up, let's carry the spirit forward, continuing to innovate, create, and celebrate our city community beyond the classroom.
That's right. Until next time, keep coloring the future with your culture, creativity, and passion. I am Trisha Lubin Angara.
And I am Aaron Balbugsalan. I am D. James Gutierrez Palmes.
And I am Puri Angela Jimenez.
This has been Universe 2025.